Hey, what's up guys? Motorola has been expanding its One series of smartphones. Recent reports have revealed that the Lenovo-owned firm may launch the One Macro smartphone in the near future. A listing of the unannounced Macro One was recently spotted on the online retailer site from Saudi Arabia, and an image has been appeared through this listing. The image of the phone resembles with its live photo that had appeared in the previous month, as it can be seen that the One Macro has a tall aspect ratio display with the water drop notch. The right side of the smartphone has a volume rocker and a power button. The left corner of the phone has a vertical camera system that includes 3 camera lenses, laser-assisted autofocus, and a LED flash. A fingerprint scanner embedded logo can be seen on the back side. The live photo of the phone had revealed that it is an Android One smartphone. The Geekbench listings of the smartphone has revealed that it is powered by Helio P60 chipset coupled with 3GB and 4GB of RAM. The handset is rumored to be equipped with a 5.7-inch of display with an HD Plus resolution. It could be housing a 4000 mAh of battery, and the handset may release in 32GB and 64GB of inbuilt storage. The major selling feature of the phone could be its macro lens. The camera setup of the phone is expected to include a main camera of 13 megapixel, a depth sensor of 2 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel of macro lens. The leaked specification and details also reveal that the phone will be priced around $220 to $240 in the international market. So this is all the information we have received till now regarding the Motorola's One Macro smartphone, which will be a budget camera phone. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and what you feel about this phone, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.